Welcome to the midweek recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Middle East tensions, higher energy costs and security risks. What could it mean for Italy?
The implications of the European Union are definitely of twofold. The first one is related to the rising of price. Oil is the first things, but consequently there will be also rising of any kind of items that we also takes from other regions, from other countries, but also that we produce here in Europe. And that is the first problem. The second problem, as we have seen in Cyprus, is related to security. Because what we have seen now is another evidence of how European Union and European member states should provide security for themselves in any kind of crisis, including a Middle Eastern crisis. So most probably this will be another, we can say, another step toward a discussion or a debate about the future of European security.
€24,000 boost for cancer care in Friuli Venezia Giulia. In Trieste, Coop Alleanza 3.0 donated €24,000 to support cancer care at CRO di Aviano and Brulo Garofalo, aiding regional oncology reforms.
È importante perché è un sistema di chi anche investe e ovviamente cresce in Friuli Venezia Giulia di voler collaborare con le nostre comunità. Coop Alleanza 3.0 è un esempio e fortunatamente non è unico.
Pordenone gears up for 2027 with a €7.9 million plan to connect community, culture, and the region. Pordenone is moving forward with a €7.9 million regional development plan as it prepares to become Italian capital of culture in 2027. The initiative will link the city with neighboring towns through cultural projects, historic site upgrades, and a new digital museum network. At the University of Trieste, the future of learning goes live.
The University of Trieste launched a new digital teaching lab and 4 free massive open online courses, now available on the University of Naples' Federico II platform, that mark a major step in expanding accessible, innovative higher education in Italy.
It's very important because it is demonstrating that the digital education is not only connecting online like it was, for example, during COVID, but it is part of our strategy of diffusing our knowledge in the territory, connecting to people at home, teaching, and so in this way we can really show also the the involvement of the university with the population.
The Paralympic flame reached Trieste on its journey to Milano Cortina 2026. The Paralympic flame stopped in Trieste Piazza Unità this week, drawing residents, athletes, and local sports groups to the city's waterfront square. Lit on February 24th, the flame is traveling 2,000 kilometers across Italy in an 11-day relay ahead of the Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Paralympic Games. Trieste is one of the 13 stops on the route. Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.